Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If this is your first time here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without hitting the subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. Sorry that I updated you today that Kendrick Kate on Amakosi good records against Stellenbosch. Kendrick Kate said, unfortunately, the history of Kaizer Chiefs recently results against Stellenbosch have no relevance to this game, which means we need to be full focus on what we have to do to go through the next round, he said. We are worried of the fact that for a team like Stellenbosch, who are not doing so well in the league, playing a cup game can give them a fresh opportunity to revive their form. So we expect them to be highly motivated. Therefore, we have to be ready to match and accept anything they bring on Sunday. We are up for the challenge because we want to go as far as possible in this competition, with the illuminate aim of winning it. So, if you are new here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without hitting the subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like.